Got a Droopy Valance? I've got a free, easy DIY fix for you that'll just take you a few seconds. Okay, my valance cover for my blinds keeps popping off or loosening up, and what I found was these clips are cracking there in the middle. There it is. You can see this little crack right there, and that is what's causing this to loosen up and the bracket falls off, or the valance falls off. So I got an easy trick to, as long as they're not broken all the way through, to keep them from breaking, even if they haven't begun already, or stop them from breaking entirely. Just find a little rubber band and wrap it around there tight, and there it is. It should keep this together and still be springy. We're going to try it out. Didn't realize how dirty these are until I started to video. So just stick the little nub there into the track and turn it, and we're going to put it back up there to hide this total and complete ugliness. As you can see, I've got that one there, but this one is also cracking. Excuse the dust, I am going to dust that. There's a crack there, and then down the way there is another crack. Hard to see. There you go. And then there is another crack on the next one also. So I'm going to put rubber bands on all of them to preempt it from falling apart. Okay, and then here I didn't have rubber bands, so I used these little elastic ties that come around like your tags on your clothes or whatever, that have a little elasticity in them. Yes, I'm super cheap. I saved those, but now I'm glad I did. This perfect white rubber band came from Around Electronics, from something I ordered. Perfect size. This one may be a little too tight, but I'm going to get it on there before it breaks. The others are perfect. And here we go. Hopefully this works. Voila, nice and tight. I'm not going anywhere. Whoop, whoop. Much better. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.